I'm John Peterson, and I am the chairman of the board of the Charles A. and Ann Morrow Lindbergh Foundation. Charles Lindbergh, of course, was the first pilot to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean in 1927. And after his death, a number of his friends, Sir Edmund Hillary, Neil Armstrong, Jimmy Doolittle, got together to start the Lindbergh Foundation to continue their legacy and their interests. And Ann Morrow Lindbergh in particular said that the foundation should focus on balancing projects that balance technology with the environment. 5 or 6 years ago, it occurred to me that one of the problems that we were aware of was that there was significant poaching of elephants and rhinos in Africa. 10,000 elephants a year are killed by poachers. And so at that rate of poaching, all of the African elephants in the wild will be extinct within about 10 years. And so on one hand, it's an existential issue for humanity, for that matter. I mean, what would life be like without elephants? I mean, elephants have been here far before we were, and the same thing for rhinos. The poaching all gets done at night in the late evening, and they shoot the animals and then they drag them away. And the rangers in general don't operate at night because there are wild animals out there. You know, it's dangerous. And so the ability to be able to see at night is a huge, huge advantage. And it occurred to me that you might be able to use drones to do that, because drones, of course, are easy to fly. You can put infrared cameras on them so that they can see the heat signatures of the poachers. And working together with the rangers on the ground, you could potentially do a big job to eliminate the poaching. And so we started the Air Shepherd program to do just that. And we have flown our drones along with our partners in South Africa and Malawi, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. This is a really significant application of new technology to solve a big, deep, enduring problem. Well, we're really pleased, of course, to be considered for one of the Edison Awards, and honored that they would consider what we are doing to be of the stature that would be considered for this competition. And of course, we'd love to win it, because you can tell a lot of people about that and take advantage of it, and we're really grateful for the opportunity to be here.